Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. Today I'd like to talk about spousal support. You know, in divorces, a lot of times you have an issue that comes up regarding alimony or what we now call spousal support, which really has to do with trying to allow your soon-to-be ex to be able to maintain a lifestyle, to be able to pay bills and such. And it all works great, except for one thing. What happens if you lose your job? What happens if you're relying on a pension, the company goes bankrupt, you're only getting 40 cents on the dollar? What happens if the circumstances change? It's bad news if it happens because you're under an obligation. The good news is you can, through the help of your lawyers, contact the court, file the appropriate motion, allege the change in circumstances, and the court, in most circumstances, will be able to reassess the circumstances and lower the spousal support to meet the new circumstances. You know, if your ex is any kind of decent person and you sit down with him or her and you say, look, I used to make this, but look what happened. You read about it in the papers, my company's going bankrupt, I'm only getting a certain amount. They should have the decency to be able to sit down with you and say, okay, you know what? We'll cut it in half. We'll cut it into 40%, 30%, something. You should be able to work it out. But even if you do that, you still got to make sure that the court records are in sync with the arrangement that you made. So either way, you've got to go to court. Either it's contested or it's not. But with that change in circumstances, you should be able to lower modifiable support to reflect the reality of your situation. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out. If you have found this helpful, please like and share.